...2023 has been absolutely fantastic for kit car shows. We had the relaunch of the National Kit Car Show over at Malvern, which went really well. And then we moved on to Newark, which was another great turnout, and even the weather that wasn't great didn't really sort of knock it back that much. So we've got one more show this year where if you want to take your kit, it's the show to go to, and that is Kitfest. Now, this is a little bit different to the other two shows. It's more go than show, I suppose I could say. It's organised by the Northwest Kit Car Owners Group, which can be obviously abbreviated to NWKCOG, and it's held on the 12th and 13th of August at Santa Pod Raceway near Wellingborough in the UK. Now, NWKCOG are a great organisation. They raise an awful lot for charity, and they've only really been going, I think, about 4 years, and in that time they've raised over £22,000 for the Clare House Children's Hospice, which I'm sure we'll all agree would be a fantastic charity to donate money to. Now, Kitfest, it's being supported by AK Sports Cars, obviously renowned for their GT40 replica and 427 replicas. And DJC Sports Cars will be there with the WR3 V-Storm. And also A-Plan Insurance, who are great supporters of the kit car world, they're going to be there. And also being supported by Total Kit Car and Complete Kit Car magazines. Now, if you want to go, this is the important bit. It's a pre-ticket event. You cannot pay on the gate. So if you want to go, you need to get onto their website, which is santapodtickets.com, or on the Kitfest website, and you've got to get your tickets in advance. Don't go crying to me, you've turned up on the gate and you can't get in. But I'm now going to tell you why this is such a great show to go to, because effectively you're going to get 3 shows for the price of one. Now, what am I talking about? Now, this is why it's probably important, if you want to go to this show, ideally you want to go all weekend, because on Saturday, Santa Pod are also holding their Best of British show, and it's all included in the one price. So if you buy a ticket for Kitfest, you can get into the rest of the shows. So it's all in that one ticket price. Now, the Best of British, as you can guess by the name, is all about British cars. Now, they have got so much going on there. They have got, now I'm having to read down the list here because there is so much. There's going to be a show and shine, which is free to enter. They've also got the Fire Force jet car. Now, I've seen that car run in the past, actually at Santa Pod. And you don't just see it, you don't just hear it, you feel it. It's absolutely incredible, that car, when it runs. They've also got a steam rocket bike. Now, I don't know a lot about that, but it sounds like a very, very fast kettle to me. But I'm sure it's quite impressive in its when you're in its presence. Now, the other things that are going to be there is the Terry Grant stunt show. Now, Terry Grant, well-renowned world record holder for various things like changing the wheel on a car while it's doing a donut. He's going to be there doing his stunt show. There's a live action arena. There's also going to be the Lee Bowers stunt bike show there. And also there's going to be retro drifting. So you got things like Mark 1 Escort estates going sideways. Now, I'm only just touching the top of what is on this show on the Saturday. So if you want to know more, you need to go to the Santa Pod website, and you'll be able to see all the stuff that's on that show on the Saturday. And then following that show, there is evening entertainment. There's bars, food, and everything else going on. So you're getting a lot more bang for your buck than just going for Kitfest. You're getting that other show as well. And the third show that you're getting is you're going to get Transitmania. So that's for, you know, custom transits, for working transits, for rusting transits. You can, whether you've got any of those, you can take it along and show off. And again, that's all in the one ticket price included if you buy a ticket for Kitfest. Now, why am I saying more go than show? I'll get it right. Well, the reason is it's Santa Pod. It's got a drag strip, so you'll be able to take your car up over the weekend. Now they recommend, if you want to get the maximum track time, you pay one price and you can go all day. You just have to rejoin the queue and sort of race up against your mates or whoever's there. Is that some of the drag strip time on the Saturday will be taken up by some of the show events. So if you go Saturday, you can enjoy the show, and then Sunday you can run your car up the drag strip. And I know at least DJC will be taking the V-Storm up the track, I believe on the Sunday, so that will be worth seeing. So that's what I'm saying, more go than show. So a little bit of a different event, this one. And from the Kitfest side, obviously they're doing their charity bit on it. So what do you need to do if you want to find out more info? Well, we'll put some links here. You've got the Kitfest website and you've got the Santa Pod tickets website. So just remember, you need to buy your ticket before you go. You cannot get in on the gate. That's an important one to remember. So best of luck to everyone at the show. Unfortunately, I can't make it because I was already pre-booked for something else. But please do get along and hopefully you'll have a great event.